Equipment Mobile app gives John Deere operators the tools to set up, operate and maintain their equipment all from one mobile application. In this video we will highlight the Equipment Mobile app, how it connects to operators to their equipment for easier operation and maintenance. User can view and search operators' manuals, view equipment details, access factory maintenance plans and view parts and utilize resources and tools for job preparations and completion. Operators can access the Equipment Mobile app using the same Operations Center username and password. They access their Operations Center organizations with logging in with your username and password will allow you to load your equipment list that exists in Operations Center web. The Equipment app is supported for Apple and Android phone and tablet devices. Once operator has logged in and selected the organization, they will then see the equipment associated with that organization. Equipment will be broken down by machines, implements and devices. Devices include JDLink modems, Starfire receivers and displays. Select the search bar and enter in the model or serial number of equipment desired. Operators can also scan barcodes of equipment to quickly access the equipment details using the barcode icon to the right of the search bar. Operators can access additional information by selecting piece of equipment from the list. Once the machine is selected, operator will see the Resource tab that will give them access to quick reference content, operator manuals, tools, and the ability to view parts from parts catalog. Additionally, users can view trouble codes associated with a specific component by selecting the relevant sources and searching for the required DTC code to access detailed information. Maintenance in Equipment Mobile allows track-specific maintenance tasks for majority of newer model machines with factory maintenance plans assigned, add a note to the service interval, as well as provide a parts list that are required to complete all tasks in the service interval. Service intervals are based off the engine hours. Operators can dive further into the connected devices by selecting JDLink modem. When selecting their JDLink modem, operators will have quick content information at their fingertips. Equipment information includes theory of operation, hardware and LED status. Tools like machine to wireless, mobile to machine, and MTG diagnostics can be accessed under the Resources tab. We will cover the mobile to machine connection in an upcoming video. Pairing will show the equipment the JDLink modem is paired with. Information will show additional information about the JDLink model. Hope you have enjoyed this brief overview on the new John Deere Equipment Mobile app. Thanks for watching.